it looks cleaner, but I don't know if it's because I'm literally on my hands and knees and rubbing, or if it's actually from using the steam cleaner. But I'm really interested in seeing if it's gonna help this area. This right here, it just looks so crusty, doesn't it? So as most of you guys know, I've been on this whole house declutter and clean with me kick. Girl, we are rolling through all these rooms. By the end of the year, most of my house is gonna be decluttered, at least phase one. I still think there's a lot of things that we need to declutter and clean and stuff still, but I'm just so happy with the progress that I've made so far. In my previous video, I decluttered my foyer. You saw the before and the after, and I'm really happy. It just really opened up my house again and not make it feel so claustrophobic. And in another previous video, I also steam cleaned my oven. And a link to the Whole House Declutter With Me playlist will be in the description box, as well as the steam cleaning my oven. I loved it. And then I received this comment where she was asking, you know, I really want to buy a steam cleaner, but like, I don't know how to justify what else I can use it with. Well, today, girl, I am steam cleaning my baseboards. And this came from a recommendation from you guys in that video. You said that you can steam clean your baseboards and it makes a huge difference. And so I'm going to steam clean my baseboards in this area in the foyer just to see how well it works. I have never steam cleaned my baseboards before. I'm literally only gonna use my steam cleaner and a microfiber towel to wipe it down and see how it works. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is the room. Really happy with it. Like I said, the process, and we're gonna start on this end, and I'm planning on doing all the baseboard along this wall, by my door. It's pretty crummy over there, and over in this corner, that wall. So let's do a detailed before of it, and let me go ahead and get my light so you guys can clearly see the dust. And oh wow, this is really dusty. I'm going to vacuum with my heavy vacuum the baseboards first, and then go in with my steam cleaner and see what it does. Cause like this up here, I don't think that that's coming off. It's more than just dust. Gosh, I feel like the dust just accumulates in my house. And then this is the corner wall here, and then my crown molding gets really crappy. Do you see that? That's dusty. So let me go ahead and vacuum first, then we'll steam clean. Not gonna lie, that was rough on the back, but we're gonna make it. But all the dust is gone. It did vacuum up most of the dust from here. So I'm interested to see, I'm gonna do a test sample though, just right here first, just to make sure that I don't mess anything up. We're in the business of not messing things up, girl, you know, when we don't know what we're doing. So, all right, let's test it out. Let's give it a go. I'm nervous.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back in business. I didn't fill my steam cleaner up. I haven't filled it up since I cleaned my oven. So, all right, let's get started. Woo! Shoot. Wipe that up. I'm scared. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this on the wall or not. Can someone tell me if I'm supposed to be doing this? Okay, so do I think this makes a difference? Is it cleaner in there? Yes. Did the vacuum help? Yes. Do I think it's worth me bending over like this, spraying the steam cleaner and wiping it down? Absolutely not. I feel like I could take my Cedar O microfiber mop and it'll come out the same way. I'm not sure though. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. It looks cleaner, but I don't know if it's because I'm literally on my hands and knees and rubbing, or if it's actually from using the steam cleaner, you know? Cause like the paint in here is not the best. It's definitely builder grade. It's not anything special, I should say, but I'm really interested in seeing if it's gonna help this area. Let me get my light. This right here, it just looks so crusty, doesn't it? Who is gonna see this, girl? See all that? I'm gonna use my steam cleaner on this and see if that helps. Okay, it is picking up the dust, but I feel like me just wiping it with the rag would have done the same thing. Does that make sense? Again, this paint is not the best, so I'm not trying to test it too much. You know, look at that side. See how dirty that is? Let me see. I'm gonna try to wipe it with with just the rag without me steam cleaning and see if it makes a difference. Okay, let's see. Yeah, not really. All right, let's test something else. Girl, this area right here, talk about dusty. This will be the true test here. You see that? And this and that. Let me go ahead and vacuum over here. Wow, it really works on the hardwoods. Okay, does it look better? Absolutely. Do I think a good mop can do the same thing? Yeah, I'm sorry. Maybe you guys see something different. Let me know. You guys saw how it looked before, so let me know. Over here, it's not great either. Do I feel like doing this? Absolutely not. I don't think it's worth my time or my knee energy. There's only but so much I could do on my knees, girl, daily like this. So I'm going to vacuum over here, steam mop it down, and just know that I cleaned something and be happy that I cleaned something today, to be honest, and pat myself on the back. What do you guys think? Is it cleaner? Yeah, absolutely it's cleaner. Is it because of the steamer? I don't know. I just feel like a rag or a mop that can save your knees and back will be a lot easier than this. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something differently, but leave a comment down below and let me know. Gosh, I thought that was gonna be so exciting. It was so anticlimactic. Like, I thought it was gonna be like a huge transformation. Girl, I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. It was not a huge transformation, at least for me. Leave a comment down below and let me know, did I do something wrong? Should I have done something differently? Do you see a difference, or is it just easier to just use a mop and a rag? I mean, that's on my once every 10 years to-do list, girl. I just cannot imagine. My back is on fire, my knees are on fire. Like, I just don't think it is worth it, unfortunately. But leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.